Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa at tawa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Mga kapatid, inuumpisahan po natin sa araw na ito ang tinatawag nating Paschal Triduum or Easter Triduum. 3 araw po ito na at pinakamahalagang mga araw sa ating liturhiya o sa ating kalendaryo sa simbahang Katolika. Ito'y napakahalaga sapagkat ito yung final act of Jesus in saving us. Kaya po, 3 araw ito, kaya Triduum, at ito yung Paschal o yung Passover, yung sacrifice of God, of Jesus on the cross. At uumpisahan natin ang Triduum sa pagdiriwang natin ng evening mass of the Lord's Supper. Kaya po, we will take this Triduum, these 3 days, as a single celebration. Kaya po, itong Triduum na to, kailangan nating umpisahan ngayong Monday, Thursday, or Holy Thursday, hanggang sa ating Easter celebration, or Easter Vigil, or Easter night. Kaya ito po'y iisang pagdiriwang na uumpisahan natin yung sign of the cross, this Holy Thursday sa evening mass of the Lord's Supper, at hindi po siya, at yung muli nating pagsa-sign of the cross ay doon na po sa Easter celebration or Easter Vigil natin. Kaya iisang celebration lamang ito. Ngayon po inuumpisahan natin ang Triduum sa pagtatalaga ng Panginoon ng isang memorial. Jesus instituted a lasting memorial of His sacrifice in a meal. At ito yung tinatawag nating Eucharist, kung saan on the first day of the Passover feast, Jesus instituted the Eucharist, na kung saan sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon ay pinakita ni Jesus kung ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng Eucharist. At yung pagtatalaga ng lasting memorial ni Jesus ay nangyari in a Passover meal. And He wants His sacrifice to be memorialized, to be celebrated in a meal. Okay, bakit po meal? Kasi doon sa pagkainan ay inaalala natin o nangyari yung tinatawag na Passover meal, na yung Passover meal is a celebration memorializing or making present again yung Pesach or yung Passover na ginawa ng Diyos na iligtas ang mga Israelita from their slavery in Egypt to the promised land. And so they celebrate the Pesach, the Passover, that act of God liberating them from their slavery in a meal. And Jesus instituted the Eucharist in a meal to memorialize also that liberation, that saving act of God. Kaya ito yung inaalala noong Passover meal na pagliligtas. Subalit ang Eucharist ay hindi lamang pag-alala, pero ginagawa, we are making it present, we are memorializing the sacrifice not only of the saving act of God, what God did to the Israelites of saving them, liberating them from slavery. Pero ngayon, itong Eucharist is the Pesach. So when Jesus said in our gospel today that the hour had come to pass from this world to the Father, and so this is now the new Passover, the new the act of Jesus that sealed a new covenant between God and us, His people. Kaya ito po yung bagong pakikipagtipan ng Diyos sa atin na tumuldok sa old way of renewing the covenant by sacrificing the lamb. Ito po yung first reading natin. Ngayon, yung ating pong pinagdiriwang is ayun yung sinasabi ng ating ikalawang pagbasa ngayon, yung self-emptying of Jesus. He is now the new lamb offered by the Father and for the Father, so that our new covenant has been sealed, has been established, has been renewed by that sacrifice of Jesus once and for all for our salvation. Kaya po yun yung iniwan ng Diyos para sa ating lahat. At ito'y iniwan niya in a meal with His disciples. And so, at the night of the Last Supper, Jesus did not only institute the Eucharist, but He also instituted priesthood. At that night, He ordained His first priest when He said, "Do this in memory of me." And who will continue? Who will memorialize that lasting sacrifice of Jesus? His disciples, His priests. Kaya po sa araw na ito ay piyesta rin ng mga pare, and so you greet your priests. And so paano ipinakita ng Panginoon yung ibig sabihin ng kaparian? Ito po yung washing of the feet. Jesus removed His outer garment as a sign of humility and washed the feet of His disciples. And so priesthood is about humility and service. It's not about prestige, but it is about being humble, of imitating the ways of Jesus, what Jesus showed us, and it is about service. When Jesus washed the feet of His disciples, He is sending them the message, the mandatum, that you will do this, that you will repeat what I do by serving other people. And so, priesthood is a matter of, is for the service of the common priesthood. The ministerial priesthood is for the service of the common priesthood. The priests are chosen, have been set apart, so that they could serve the people of God, the common priesthood. Kaya po, ito yung pinagdiriwang natin sa unang araw ng ating triduum, yung ginawang pagsasakripisyo ni Jesus ay palagian nating ginagawa sa pamamagitan ng pagdiriwang natin ng banal na misa. At ito lamang ay posible nang dahil ang Diyos ay nagtalaga din ng kanyang mga kaparian. Kaya po ipagdasal natin na mas dumami pa ang mga pari o mga magpapari, at ipagdasal natin na kami pong mga pari ay mananatiling tapat sa aming sinumpaang covenant with God. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutan mag-like, share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.